adopting Namaskara Mudra, keeping your eyes closed, just to synchronize the sound. We'll chant again one Omkara. Take a deep breath in. Feel the vibration of Om resonating in your body and mind at this moment. The most commonly practiced mudra is Namaskara Mudra. When we approximate both of our hands together, from the right hand I send signal to the left brain, and from the left hand I send signal to the right brain. So there is a synchrony of two informations going from hand to each side of the brains, cerebrum. So we call hemispherical synchronization. So both sides of the brain, logical brain and emotional brain, both are active simultaneously. So this is very beautiful phenomena which happens, which is much more beyond just a scientific evaluation or a spiritual evaluation. It is a much more experiential. You experience and feel that. So when you activate logical as well as the emotional brain together, the parts of the brain which are working will absorb much more information than normal, which retain much more information than normal. So simple Namaskara Mudra means I bow down to the person in front of me, focusing that I am the spirit Atman and you are the Atman. So I bow down to that Atma which is there within me. So this is a great concept which recognizes the spirit first, then mind, then body, then all those discriminating additions of caste, creed, religion and all those. So by simple just Namaskara itself, we share the unification, the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam concept to all the world. So there could not be any other religion which talks about all this. And being into yoga in itself is beyond any religions. It is the science of the soul. So we use Namaskara Mudra very frequently in some of the mind-body complex issues like stress, anxiety, depression. I specifically use this along with chantings. So either mantra chanting or simple chanting of Om we use along with Namaskara Mantra. So in due course of time we'll add and learn more